Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix air speaker not working on iPhone and iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue on iPhone, on any iPhone? So first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So you have fixed this issue. First of all you have checked the volume level, then you have incoming call, then you have checked the volume value level on your iPhone. So you have, if you have turned down your iPhone's speaker volume, then it may seem like is not working, especially when you are outdoors, then his volume is up. And then second solution, you have turn off Bluetooth, then you have open the setting and click on Bluetooth and is turn off. And then, is your iPhone connected to a Bluetooth device such as earbuds, speakers, or watch? If so, you may not hear anything while on a call, as your iPhone will redirect the call audio to the connected Bluetooth device. So you have third solution, reinstall the problematic app. Then you have problem on your WhatsApp is your speaker, then you have uh, reinstall from this problematic app, then you have long press and then you have remove from delete. If your iPhone's AirSpeak only acting up with a specific app like WhatsApp, then if you so it is probably a problem with that app itself. In that case, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to the fix problem. And then uh, about this, you have long press and then you have remove from your iPhone and select delete app to confirm. And then fourth solution, you have install iOS update on your iPhone. So you have open the setting and then click on general, and then software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone is available, you have install on your iPhone. Then other solution, fifth, reset setting on your iPhone. So again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then you have done, and then you do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset setting. And then sixth solution and last solution, you have restart your iPhone. Then you have about this fix issue, and then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.